Now your shoot is complete. You have your footage in hand. But what next? How do you turn what you have shot into a great video? Well, it's all in your fingertips by the power of editing. Here in this video, I'm going to share with you some simple tips in which that can guide you to bring your video or your idea into reality. There are 12 simple basic steps in guiding you through your editing. In multiple takes, it requires you to take multiple shots. Make sure you take multiple shots so that when you come through to look in each of the shots, you can get the one that is best or better, or that is more better than the other. You take this shot, you take that shot, make sure you get all the content or all the object that you need to be included in that very shoot or shooting you are making, in that very video you are making. So the first step that I want you to know is take multiple shots. You take multiple shots of your videos, and then when you come into editing, you look into the one that is more perfect, and then you pick it and then you go with it. 2. Back up your footage. After a successful shooting of your video, make sure you copy all the video files that you have shot. Save it somewhere, back it up somewhere, because if you rely on maybe memory card, there is a possibility in which it can get lost or get corrupted. So in this very regional aspect, I just want you to know that backing up your footage, your shots or your videos is very essential. Save it somewhere else in which you can find it another time, because you may not have another chance to shoot another video. So backing up of your footage is also essential. Step 3. Your edit space. The place in which you edit your videos, the editing space or editing area, it could be anywhere where it is. Just make sure that it's a quiet and calm place in which if at all there will be a distraction, it should be a less distraction where you can stay focused, edit your video successfully, and know you've ended it well. Watch your footage. After a successful shooting of your video, make sure you watch each and every one of them. This will enable you to be familiar with your video. Organizing your files. This has to do with putting down all the videos that you have shot in sequence, in chronological order. Saving it with, you can name it, you can put a name tag on it so that you can find it easily. This saves time. It saves time for you when you want to search and find a very particular video, and you just find it easily because you have organized it in a very orderly manner. Step 6. Beginning to edit. This is the point in which you start bringing out those vibes, those reality. This is the point when you start cooking your videos now. Step 7. Fine cutting. This has to do with cutting out the parts that are not necessary. You understand? Finding that unnecessary part that you have made maybe an error or mistake. You cut it out and then you leave the relevant ones. Watch over and over. In this very aspect is very also important. Apart from you getting familiar with your video, when you watch that over and over, you can get an inspiration by watching that again. Maybe when watching, you can find a part that there will be need for you to add another explanation to it, or a kind of adjustment to what you have made or done in that video. So when you watch over and over, it will make you to be familiar with it, and also to see if there is another inspiration that you can get in addition to that. All right, building up your edit. This has to do, you can add B-rolls, supplementary images or visuals that can support the message that you are passing out. And also you can add title cards, kind of titling the message that you are giving in, just to attract or draw the attention of your viewers. Step 10, sound. Sound is very important. This cannot be overemphasized. Sound. Important. Step 11, mixing of sounds. Make sure you do a kind of mixing of your sounds, and you can also add some background music on it. But make sure that the music volume is no more higher than your words. Make sure that your words, your voice is more higher, it's more clear, it's more sound than the background music. You lower it to the a volume that is going to be a normal, that it will not be too high. So make sure you adjust your sound, correct your sound, just make sure that everything goes and move smoothly. Step 12, wow, color correction. This has to do with adjusting your contrast and saturation. Just make sure you adjust the color of your video, bring it out, to that very good and outstanding resolution that can be so clear, and make sure that the color is just, bring it out in something that you will like, and not only what you will like, something that when your audience sees it, they will also appreciate it. Watch your videos again, watch it from the beginning to the end, and when you are done, you are okay and satisfied with it, you export your video that you have done cooking. Yes, you export it in a high resolution so that it can maintain that good quality, and after you've done that, then you upload your video for the world to see. Thank you for watching. Please, I want you to give a like to this video, leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and see you in another video.